I came here also in December, and we asked to visit Mr. Öcalan because in that period he couldn't visit anybody, and so now it's quite different, and we'd like to visit him to talk about peace dialogues, because this is an historical moment for Kurdish people and also for Turkey and also for all the world. I think it's very important to support Mr. Öcalan in this phase, in this historical moment. I think that Mrs. Öcalan is a very important person, because in a moment where everybody is talking about war, all countries are improving their army, is talking about peace, and he invited PKK to disarm their politics and just to try to dialogue to income democracy in Kurdistan and in Turkey. And this is a great model, because Rojava, the model of Rojava was important not only against ISIS, but also because it proposed a democratic model for people, proposing equality for women, talking about green politics, and I think it will be very, very important to get him free, because there can't be democracy in a country if politicians are in jail. So I hope he will be free soon, and that we can support this process in Europe and in my country, because really I believe that Mr. Öcalan is not important only for Kurdish people and for Turkey, but also for us, because the model of democracy he proposed from jail is really open-minded, and is a great model for each country to be democratic. Complicated because Kurdish are 40 million. They don't live in only one country. They are divided in 4 different countries with different laws and different cultures. But I think that Mr. Öcalan's message is so strong, and I hope that it can arise in the different methods everywhere, just to guarantee safety and democracy for Kurdish people. This is what I believe, and I hope that this peace dialogue can obtain. I hope everybody will listen to Mr. Öcalan's message, because in this specific period, talk about peace is an extraordinary and revolutionary message. And I repeat this concept because it's not only a problem of Middle Eastern countries, but it risks to involve all the world in the Third World War. And maybe if everybody would listen what Mr. Öcalan says, it could be a good example on how to get a good solution on a complicated situation. So the Kurdish question is very complicated, and I think that he can solve this with the support of international community. We can have a good model to extend this government, this type of government all over the world. This is what I would like, because I think that is a great vision, and I'm really impressed that being 26 years in jail, it can be so open and so peaceful.